Hello. We are on to the fourth layer of our work. We're almost done. So, as the same with every layer, we need to make sure we have similar colored watercolor. So if you're working on this on another day, just try to match the color as best you can. If you're debating, is this too dark or too light, it's okay to go a smidge darker. It'll help add to the effect. I still have the same color. What you're going to do is we are going to do this section here. It goes like this, it goes up and down. I'm going to take my pigment, I'm reactivating it because it was settling when I was using the hairdryer. And I'm going to put my brush vertically to get into this teeny little corner. And I'm going to start by going not right next to it, but close, and then pushing it into the corner. So again, my brush is vertical when I am in this small area. Put it on an angle so you can see. I'm going to start in the middle here and then push my brush and barely touch the page to get to the point without going outside the lines. I'm going to continue in my area. At the top, I like to have my brush to the side and go as close to the tippy top as I can. It's a wider area, so it works better than down here. And you're done with your fifth layer. We're going to wait for this to dry, or you can use a hairdryer. But don't forget, get rid of your pooling. I have some pooling here, or else you're going to get some mistakes. And I'll see you in the next video.